ما أريد من هذا الشعب إلا أن يزيد في الحمد والشكر إلى الله عز وجل، ويزيد من محبة الوطن، ويزيد من العمل ومضاعفة العمل لما يسعى فيه من خير له وللدولة والأهل. هذا اللي أنا أدوره من الشعب، وربنا إن شاء الله يوفقنا جميعا على ما يحب ويرضى.
We are so honored to host Mr. Mohamed Rasheed, the founder and the managing director of Rashisons International. With over 30 years of experience in the manufacturing of plastic processing machinery and packaging materials across India, Saudi Arabia and the UAE, Mr. Mohamed has played a crucial role in establishing the company as a leading player in the industry. So we look forward to discussing his journey, key achievements and insights into the growth and success of Rashisons International.
The government of UAE is giving very good support for the business community as well as working community.
Welcome everyone to your favorite program, Pearls of Union. Our inspiring guests have moved from the darkness of challenges to the light of success. Our inspiring guests have set a title for success and ambition. And our special guest for today is Mr. Mohamed Rasheed. He is the founder and the managing director of Rashisons International. Welcome, Mr.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm so pleased to meet you today.
Okay.
Thank you. So, sir, please, in the beginning, can you introduce yourself to everyone? Can you tell us about your background and your professional experiences as well?
I am Mohamed Rasheed, the founder of Rashisons International, FZE, that means Free Zone Company. I have started this company 7 years back. Okay. Before that, I had another company, Gulf India Plastics, Universal Flexible Packages and all. But this particular company, I have started 7 years back. And we are supplying the machineries for the industries, as well as I am giving the technical guidance. I am giving to each and everyone, whoever comes to me, I am giving the advice to them. In fact, I am a consultant, qualified technocrat, having experience of 30 to 35 years in Saudi Arabia, India and Emirates, UAE. Yeah, I am having very good experience in manufacturing machineries. Same way the material also, packaging materials, I can produce it and supply to them. And I will give the training for the technicians. I will bring up them and to show how the machine run, the factory should run, all the guidance I'll give to the people, those who are interested to start the factory. Yeah, first I have worked after my college, I have worked in Saudi Arabia. It's a big group, Al-Zamil Group. I have worked there for 7 years and they have posted me in different places. Even they sent me to US, Italy for training, and I could gain a lot of knowledge. From there only I have learned this plastic manufacturing, product manufacturing. Then came back and started in India. One factory I started 1982. Then I started 3-4 factories in and around Calicut, and it was running very well. Then I thought of starting another unit in UAE, because this is a very good market. And also I came to know that this government, UAE government, is supporting the industrialists to come up. So that was my inspiration, because I have seen many friends told me that why don't you start one factory in UAE. That is how I came here and searched for the place and all. When finally I landed with a safe zone, Sharjah Airport International Free Zone. I went there and I took one factory. Everything was ready at that time. And they have supported me. The authorities of safe zone, they have supported me like anything. And they have encouraged me to go ahead with the factory. And that is how I started in here. Yeah, in fact, I have started the factory, Gulf India Plastic. There we were manufacturing these carry bags and plastic bags. And then I have given consultancy to another person. That company's name is Universal Flexible Packaging. I set up everything and handed over to them. Then quite some time I was running that also to give the training for them. Flexible packaging. Then another bottle factory, water, you are filling this Moya. That factory I have started, it was running well. And then I started this one, Rashisons International.
Great.
Yeah. I have associated with Indian companies and Taiwan. They are manufacturing machineries and supplying worldwide. Globally, they are supplying these machineries. Then I have become a partner in that, associated partner with them. And I brought so many machines here and exported to different countries. So Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain and all, I have already supplied many machines. I am giving technical consultancy for the people. If anybody wants to set up a small or medium or large scale industry in this field, I can do that. I can help them. I have experience of 30 to 35 years in this field. So that you may not find a person who is having practical experience like this. Because they must have retired or be sitting at home. Now I am working. I am giving the consultancy to the people for plastic industries and manufacturing machineries. And it is nice. And also I have got a very good support and help from the UAE. Emirati government has supported me like anything to do the business. I am very much thankful to UAE and the rulers of UAE. They are all very helpful. All the rules and regulations are very good for a good industry. Yeah, I am expecting more support from them.
So, sir, what challenges did you face at the beginning of your career?
Yeah, beginning of the career, I joined with the Zamil group as a supervisor training. I just completed my course, engineering course. Then I went to, they have recruited me. They came to India and recruited me. And I started working in Zamil. Now it is a very big group. At that time it was only a very small group. Maybe 70 people were working at that time when I joined there. When I left after 7 years, then it has come about 3,000 people were working. It was so small, and I have seen some small factory, and within 7 years I saw the largest factory in Saudi Arabia. They are manufacturing the air conditioners, chillers, so many items, mainly refrigeration, manufacturing. They had collaboration from US. So I had very good opportunity to learn many things in that factory. From there only I gained more knowledge and experience in the industry, especially engineering. That encouraged me and given me confidence to go for an industry. I am very hardworking, I am very successful. Because of my, the factories which I have started and helped others, they are also doing well.
And who have supported you and encouraged you to overcome these challenges?
You mean any?
Full supporters, yeah.
Full support means, you see, that my wife was supporting because, after the marriage also, the third day itself I started working. I was not with For the installation of the machineries and setting up the factory and all, even I go out. And she was alone at my home, and she was after the marriage. Soon after the marriage, I am talking about after 3-4 days, I left means I am early morning, I leave to the factory. Then I'll come back maybe 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. She was all alone there, but she cooperated with me like anything so that and I could set up the factory in the family wise. And I have so many friends. And also in India, I have become the Plastic Manufacturers Association president. Yeah. Then All India Plastic Manufacturers Association governing board member and all. So I had an opportunity to meet and learn so many things in India, especially in the plastic field. Yeah. So that, I had a very good opportunity to serve the Plastic Manufacturers Association in India. Still, I am an executive member of Indian Association.
So, sir, after your rich experiences, you decided to start your own business. What inspired you to create Rashisons International?
Because I have seen many people started from the scratch and they grown up like anything without any qualification. Then I thought, why I should not have? Because I am having experience, I am having qualification. Then why I should not go for an industry? I never thought of trading. At that time, I thought only of this one, sitting in a factory. There I have in India, about 4 factories I started, different products I have started there. Then because of that experience and gave me the confidence to start the factory. That is how I started here. Also 3-4 factories I have started. Now I am mainly concentrating on this one. So I can help the people by this. Suppose if the packaging materials, if I produce only, I can sell and make the profit. But that is not my aim. My aim is I am an experienced senior person, so I should share my knowledge and experience to the young generation, especially in UAE.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, that is what I am doing because we know the business, we make the money and go and sleep or die. That is not the result. We should have something, we should contribute something to the especially young generation.
And what were the major challenges you faced while building and growing the company?
Yeah, because we should have a thorough knowledge. Number one, thorough knowledge and experience and confidence. Okay, and we should have very good strategic idea of setting up factory. And also strong base we should have. Without strong base, we cannot do anything. Because all this, with the grace of God, I have everything. Then why I should not go for that?
So how did you overcome these challenges to position the company as a leader in the industry?
Yes, Rashisons is actually India we are manufacturing. We are importing the machine and supplying here and other Emirates. All Emirates I have supplied, Sharjah, Ajman, Oman, Oman also I supplied, but Abu Dhabi, Alain, my machines are running everywhere in UAE. And also Saudi, Qatar, and Oman, everywhere machines, my customers are everywhere there. I am a leading consultant in this field, plastic machinery and the packaging industry. I am supporting. I am getting very good support from my customers also. Yeah, because strong base we should have. When we start something, we should have a strong base. Without strong base, we will not be able to succeed. I have the strong base. That is how I am doing this business. I am very, very, very glad to introduce myself to the people. If anybody wants to set up a factory, means I am always welcome. I will give the guidance and I will support them. I myself will go with them and run the factory and show them. And also, what I do is, in the beginning, there was no skilled people. I myself learned the job, how to run the machine, how to do the maintenance, everything I used to learn. Now, and after that, I bring the people and teach them how to do it. Given training to them to run the machine, maintenance, how to improve the quality. And also what I am concentrating is, save the electricity. Electricity is expensive. Cost of the machinery also should not be very high. Cost saving machineries I will supply. Cost saving technology I will give. Because so many aspects to save the money for the industry. All those things by experience I am giving to the people. So they are also very happy. I am also very happy. Because electricity is a machinery. Cost of machinery, if it's very high, the return, when you compare with the return and the investment, will be more. So what I am doing is reasonably machines to get more production, that means more output with less investment. That is one thing. Second thing is, I will see wherever we can save the money and make more profit. Spend less and make more money. Only the thing we have to hard work. Dedication. Dedication is most important for an industry. So that any newcomers and anybody who wants to establish the plastic industry or any other industry, I can give them guidance and advice to run the industry in a better way.
So, Sir, Rashisons International has expertise in setting up industries for manufacturing eco-friendly bags. So, what impact do you aim to achieve through this initiative?
I always give the preference for eco-friendly. The production, the material we are using and everything, I will give importance for the eco-friendly. The meaning is, before when I started, everywhere only plastic. We are using only plastic. Now after that, what we are using calcium carbonate, one material. That calcium carbonate is getting from the earth only. That is the clay, purified clay that we are mixing with the plastic. Then the 50% or 60% of the plastic we can reduce. That is, this clay is, the calcium carbonate is very eco-friendly. Yeah. That material we are mixing, blending with the plastic and produce the materials. I took a lot of research and development. And when we mix up that material, blend this plastic material and 50% this carbonate, what will happen is directly we are reducing 50 to 60% of plastic. The usage of plastic we could reduce in that way. That means it is because without plastic it is difficult. Previously we were producing all 100% plastic. Now we are using this mixing with blending with this calcium carbonate. Already reduced 50%, 50 to 60% of the usage of plastic. Okay, that is number one. Now, what happened is we are using eco-friendly, biodegradable, compostable bag we are making. Without any plastic we are making now. We have developed that one. So, that is biodegradable, that means what will happen? Within 180 days that will with the land, this with the sand or heat or this will be dissolved like anything. So there won't be any remains will not be there. That is eco-friendly. Then what is the thing, difference is, without 0% plastic, we are making that eco-friendly bags nowadays. We are making, we have developed it, we are making machinery suitable to use this, manufacture this eco-friendly, biodegradable bags. We have already started. But still plastic is there, but the usage of the plastic material is getting less now. Got the point? Because this will dissolve in the earth. This material will dissolve in the earth. That is what we have to give. That is our, because how that material is produced is, corn, this eatable. The people are eating the corn flour and what you call starch, coal starch, tapioca starch. Out of that we are making the materials for making the plastic without any plastic. It is not plastic bag. Okay, but plastic, it will not dissolve in the earth. So we have to save the earth. We are manufacturing eco-friendly bags. Without any plastic, without even 1% plastic, we are using these bags.
And sir, what are the key achievements and contributions that you are most proud of?
Yeah, because because in this during my service, I could achieve a lot of things. I could provide a lot of achievements to other people also, not only me. Whatever experience, whatever knowledge I had, I shared to other people, to generations. That will remain for the generations. That is what I am aiming. Of course, I am doing business and making money, that is okay. But other part, what I do is, Emirat, now I am working here, I am staying here with family, I am very happy. Everything they have provided by UAE government. I have to return something to this young generation of UAE. That is what my intention. Of course, at the same time, I will be running factories and giving the technical advice and consultancy service and I'm making money, but at the same time, I want to return my contribution to the country, especially UAE. I like this UAE very much.
So how has the UAE facilitated business growth and made it easier for companies to operate and expand in this market?
Yeah, in this market, a lot of liberal, government is giving very liberal, but the same way, very strict for the rules and regulations. That is the reason they are able to control especially this eco-friendly business, and they are encouraging like anything. UAE government is encouraging for eco-friendly business, especially plastic, because everybody, globally, people are worried about the eco-friendly plastic. So yeah, the government is supporting, government is encouraging the people to go for eco-friendly bags, materials. We are doing that. That is what we can do to the nation, this country. Whatever experience, what knowledge we have to return to the country, UAE. That is what my intention. The new generation also, if they come up, they can do good business. That is what my feeling. It is very good. This country is progressing like anything. Comparatively, when you compare to other countries, this UAE is progressing like anything. It is giving encouragement to the business community.
So sir, after your faithful journey and rich experiences, you make your success story. So the word of success is not strange to you. How can you define success?
Yes, success means, success can be divided into two. Only money making, that is not only the success. See, what you contribute to your people, that is success. If I could support some people and it is benefited to them, is my success. I think it is success. Of course, I should have the base to live. So that I need money, I have to do the business. But at the same time, I have to, my knowledge, my experience, I have to share to the new generation. Otherwise, my life is waste. I am very concentrating only on myself. No. Others also should should have a better life.
Yeah, great, actually.
That is what my intention. Very openly I am telling, that is my intention. I will support anybody. If anybody come and ask me to support to set up a factory and give the guidance, I will give them. Many people I am giving the guidance without any, I will charge anything. If they come and ask me, they ring up and ask me, see, this is the problem in our machine, this is the problem in our production cost is increasing, what is your advice? I will advise them. I will share my knowledge, I share the experience, which is beneficial to the industries, the whole.
So, sir, lots of people from audience, they are a new generation and they see from your story something special inspired them. So what is your advice to the new generation, to young entrepreneurs who want to create their own businesses in the same field?
I always support and encourage, especially the new generation. They should come up and start the industry. Not only the trading also they can do it, but industry is the backbone of the country. But that will last for long. Generation to generations, it will help. So that I have to tell my youngsters to come up and start business, not only plastic business, any other business you can start, any industry you have to start. Industrially you have to develop. Industrially you have to develop yourself and the country. That is most request and advice. If you do like that, it will be benefited not only you, it will be benefited to the nation and the coming generations. If anybody wants to give any advice, I most welcome everyone to Rashisons International. You can call me at any time, Rashisons International, free zone. And also my number, they will give my number. If you want, you can contact them, they will give my number. You can come and ask me how to set up a factory. I will set up and give you 10G basis also I will do it. Even free service also I will do. Free advice also I can do.
The UAE has for sure contributed to your success story. So what is your appreciation message you would like to convey through our episode to the UAE and its rulers?
The government of UAE is giving very good support for the business community as well as working community. Many people are coming from, many thousands of people are coming from other countries and working here. They are very safe. The government is taking care of them. They are supporting them. They are giving a good life for millions of people here, from those who came from out. So, personally, I am very much grateful to the UAE and the governance, means rulers support. Without their support, country would not have improved like this. I am really thankful to and grateful to the rulers of UAE. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you so much, sir. It was my pleasure talking with you today. Best of luck.
Yeah, it was very nice. It is a pleasure for me to be here and talk to you. Talk to you means talk to the UAE people. It is really great pleasure for me.
Dear audience, this is the end of our episode. Watch us next week. Goodbye.